Hi friends, so how are you? Today we are gonna make Kerala special banana unniappam. So let's begin. So for unniappam we need two bananas, and the skin should be black color. 1 cup jaggery. Now let's start. Cut the banana into pieces. Now let's put it in the grinder. Pour 1 cup melted jaggery with the banana. Now we are done mixing. Now we have to pour into the bowl. Mix it well. Add some rava into the batter. Add rice powder. Add cardamom powder. Mix it well. Place a pan and heat it. Now put some ghee, 1 teaspoon ghee. Now add 2 teaspoons dry coconut pieces. Roasted dry coconut pieces. Slightly dry coconut color changes. Then add some sesame seeds. Then off the flame. Pour the mixture into the batter. Mix it well. Add 1 pinch of salt. This is the correct consistency. Heat a unniappam pan and pour some oil. Pour it to the batter as shown, medium to low flame to cook. After 3 minutes, you can see the color is changed. Now you have to flip both sides. You can use spoon or fork to flip it. When it's ready, set it in a plate. Our healthy and tasty Unniappam is ready. It's so tasty. Please try it in your house. It is an easy recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.